All right, so today we'll create a website using React. That is a library, and that is created and maintained by Facebook. And this is the official website. And using this library, we will be creating our website. This library is mainly used to design the front end, and you can create components that you can easily reuse in your other projects too. So that is a basic idea of this library. And let's start by downloading Node, and we go to this website nodejs.org, and I am using Windows. So I will go here and I will download a pre-built file and click on this Windows MSI installer. So in my case, I have already downloaded it. So I will directly press Windows plus R and open the command prompt. First, I will create a directory. So I will type mkdir and test and hit enter. And I will type cd test. So now I am inside the test folder that I created just now using mkdir. And after that, what I'm going to type is npx create React app. So this is the utility. And now I will give the name of the app, that is hello. And what is this npx is majority of the times we use npm, but npm fetches the data and stores it on your system that consumes space. But npx every time pulls the data from the cloud, that saves your space. So for now, I will hit enter. Here it asks me for some permissions. I will allow. So here are some depreciation warning because it is slightly outdated. So finally, it has created, this utility has created all the required files in our folder. Then here I can see here we have a directory hello. And now we will cd this hello folder, and now we will do dir. And here we can see we have all our files that have been created in this folder. And here you can see we have certain scripts that are already running. So if we want to start our website after adding all the code, then we can directly do npm start. And when we want to make a build, when we are ready with our final code, we can run this command and get a static folder that we can deploy on the production. So for now, we will try to start this. So we will type here npm start. So the start script will run the development server. And here we can see we have running this server on localhost 3000. And it is taking some time. So this is the sample React app that we have. And let's see all the contents inside this folder. So here we have a public folder, and this src folder is our main folder that we need to edit. So I will open app.js in VS Code. So this is our app.js, and I will go here and trust this window to enable editing. And now we are back in app.js, and you can see here we can make any changes here. So with learn React, I can say here hello world, and I can do Control S, and I can go to the running server and reload this page. So here you can see here is this hello world added. And similarly, I can make other changes and do Control S and see here that the content is gone. And similarly, I can do a variety of things. So this is a very basic example. You can add your own code here. So the basic flow is you create other files and import them in your app.js file. And when your final code is ready, you open the terminal here. And what command you are going to type is npm run build. So this will make an optimized folder for you that you can directly go and host it directly. That is a very optimized version. So here it will create a production build, and you can find it in the same directory. I will show it once it is created. Here, folder is ready and we can see it here. So we will go in our hello folder, that is our main folder, and here we can see we have a build folder, and in this we have index.html file and our other files that are static and can be served using any server like Apache server. So that was all for this video. That gives you a basic idea how to create a website using the React library. So that was all. Thanks for watching.